Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Goodbudget account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Goodbudget account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Goodbudget application. The home page of Goodbudget application will appear on the screen. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, tap on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Goodbudget account. On the next page, click on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your Goodbudget account by tapping on Yes. This is how you can log out of your Goodbudget account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.